In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen and reduce noise in Lightroom. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, understanding how to effectively highlight details while minimizing unwanted noise is crucial to enhancing the overall quality of your photos. Let's dive right in and explore these fundamental steps to elevate your editing game. To begin, open Lightroom and import the photo you want to work on. You can do this by navigating to the File menu at the top and selecting Import. This will open a window where you can choose your image files. Choose the photo you wish to edit and click Import again. Once your photo is imported, you'll spot it in the Library module at the top right corner of your screen. When you're ready, switch to the Develop module, which is where you'll do most of your image adjustments. Now, direct your attention to the right side of the Develop module where you'll find the Detail panel. Here's where the magic of sharpening and noise reduction happens. Click on this Detail section to expand it. You'll be presented with options for sharpening and noise reduction, each with its specific sliders for fine-tuning. First, let's focus on sharpening. You'll see sliders labeled Amount, Radius, Detail, and Masking. The Amount slider controls how much sharpening will be applied to the entire image. Be mindful with this slider as too much can introduce a harsh appearance. The Radius slider defines the width of the edges that the sharpening will affect. Smaller values affect only the smallest details, while larger values will influence larger elements in your photo. The Detail slider enhances fine details, perfect for textures. With Masking, you control where sharpening is applied. Holding the Alt key while dragging this slider gives you a preview in black and white, showing you exactly where sharpening will appear. Once you're satisfied with your sharpening, let's tackle noise reduction. Still in the Detail panel, you'll see sliders for luminance, details, contrast, and color. The luminance slider is your main tool for reducing noise. As you increase this value, the grainy appearance of noise diminishes. However, be cautious not to lose too much detail. The detail slider helps recover some lost detail and sharpness after luminance adjustments. Meanwhile, the contrast slider works to maintain depth after you've reduced noise in shadowy areas. Lastly, adjust the color slider to specifically target color noise, which often appears as random red, blue, or green pixels in your image. Once you've made these adjustments and your image looks refined and polished, you're all set. Remember, the goal is to enhance your image's natural appeal while maintaining its integrity. With practice, these techniques will become second nature. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.